Hello, 10th standard children. Welcome to online class. So in previous classes, we have to discuss about the coordinate geometry. So at solving the some problems. Now we have to derive the distance formula. So in previous class, if for example is the 9th standard, you have to study it that to locate the position of a point on a plane means upon. So this portion is called as a plane for x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. So we required a pair of coordinate axes. So one is an y-axis, so another one is x-axis. This is an origin 0. So the distance of a point from the y-axis so is called as an x-coordinate. These are the x coordinates. And then the distance of a point on the x-axis are of the form as a y coordinates. This is called as an y coordinates. So in this way, you have to coordinate of the point on the x-axis are of the form as an x comma 0. X coordinate means upon x comma 0, and then as a point on the y-axis are of the form as 0 comma y. So it is an x coordinate and then this is an a y coordinate. So I have to find the distance of any 2 points on the plane or distance between the two cities for example A and B. So how is it find the distance between the two distance? So now as derived as this is the segment to find the distance upon point P and point Q. How is it find the distance between the point P and point Q? So now as let us find the distance between any 2 points as P is an x1 comma y1 as Q is x2 comma y2. So now as a draw is a line as perpendicular on x-axis, perpendicular to x-axis. So this is R and this is S. PR and QS are drawn on a perpendicular upon x-axis, and then as P x-axis a perpendicular from the point P on QS. So perpendicular point P on QX So this is called as a name as T once upon T. PT is a perpendicular on QS. Perpendicular on QS. So now as draw a meet it at the point of T. So now as yes. So now as an OR is equal to the next one is the distance upon OR is equal to x1 and distance upon OS is x2 the distance upon OS. So distance upon OR is equal to x1 and distance upon OS is equal to x2. So now as distance between the QT is equal to TS is equal to y2. Distance between the TS is equal to y2 and then distance between the QS is equal to this is so distance upon TS is equal to y1 and distance upon QS is equal to y2. To find the distance on PQ, how it is find the distance upon PQ? As read as so as distance upon QR. So distance upon QR is equal to x1. Distance upon QR is equal to x1. So distance upon OS is equal to x2. to find the distance upon RS. So distance upon RS is equal to as distance upon OS minus upon OR, means OS minus as OR. So that is equal to QR. This is an OR. So RS is equal to OS is equal to x2 minus x1. So distance upon RS is equal to x2 minus x1. So RS is similar to PT. RS is similar to PT, means PT is equal to x2 minus x1. So again, to find the distance upon QT. So TS, the distance upon TS is equal to Y1. The distance upon QS is equal to Y2. To find the distance upon QT, so QT is equal to as QS minus of TS, as QT is equal to Qs. What is the values of QS? QS is equal to Y2 minus Y1. So distance upon QT is equal to Y2 minus Y1. This is the distance upon QT, distance upon QT. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, so now applying the Pythagoras, theorem. Applying the Pythagoras theorem in triangle PTQ. T is the 90 degrees in a right angle triangle. PTQ. So we get Pythagoras is, so square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of the sum of the square of the two sides, means square of the hypotenuse PQ square is equal to sum of the square of the two sides, means upon PT square plus of QT square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the values of PQ square? So to find the PQ square is equal to PT square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus QT is equal to y2 minus y1 whole square. So squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, PQ is equal to as square root of, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus of y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance between the PQ. This is also a distance formula. This is a distance formula. This is the distance formula. So are you understand? So okay.